I just received 600 mDoge from this platform, and I've been able to withdraw all my coins into my exchanges. I've been able to withdraw these using the Brofin exchange, but you can use any exchange at all. So what you just need is your Doge wallet address. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything that you need to know about this platform, starting from the registration down to the withdrawal. But before I continue, welcome to this channel. My name is Cosmas, the crypto priest. I bring you updates on crypto, web3, AI job, anything that concerns making money online. So if this is the type of content that you're looking for, you are in the right channel. So go ahead and subscribe in this YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video. And if you really love what we're doing here, go ahead and join us right there on our community on Telegram, where you are going to be getting your daily updates. So you're going to get the link of this site right there on Telegram. So let's continue. So Doge is a simple mining app where you can be able to mine just the Doge token. Now it is simple. Let me just take you to what we have here. So once you register right there on the site, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you can be able to mine Doge using these pairs. So these pairs that you see right here are what mines your Doge for you. So for instance, let me just go ahead and remove all these pairs right here, so I can show you how you can get these pairs right here. Okay, so once you get to your DMs, you're going to be seeing these pets as level 1. So this is what you're going to be seeing. What you need to do is to get 2 pets, or you can just drag these pets right here and it will start mining for you. But that is not what we come here for. I would like to show you how you can upgrade your pets. So this is your pets. You can just carry this Doge right here, and it levels up instantly. So you can get another one. Let me just get more. So when I align this together, it upgrades to level 2. So when I take this to this level 2, it upgrades to level 3. So that is how simple it is, and that is how you can be able to upgrade your Doges. As you can see, I have level 9, level 9, level 9 right here. That is exactly what I did. So this will help how fast you are in mining. So for instance, let me just take this out and just take this out. Okay, let me take this out and this out. Now for instance, you can be able to purchase this puppy. As you can see right here at the market prices of this puppy, and this is 3.21 mDoges, which is also equivalent to the 100 Doges that are given right here. Let me purchase a Doge so that you see how fast this Doge mines. So I just bought a Doge right here. As you can see, I just bought this level 4 Doge. As you can see, I currently have 28, 29, 30. This is how fast this Doge mining is, because I have 3 level 9 Doges mining very fast for me. So that is why it's mining actually faster. So this is how simple it is for you to mine your Doges. Go to the shop, buy a Doge, and start your mining. That is how simple it works. So when it comes to your withdrawal, I'll be able to accumulate 600 Doges right here, and I place my withdrawals instantly. But what you need to know is that this is just level 1, and you can be able to withdraw just 100 mDoge at once. This 100 mDoge is equal to 0.1 Dogecoin. Okay, so let me show you. So this is 100 Dogecoin, and it's equal to 0.1 Doge. I can actually click on all right here and be able to withdraw this 100 Doge. So these are the Doge coins that I've just withdrawn today. I just got this site early this morning, and I've been able to accumulate this. That is how fast it is in withdrawal. Okay, now what you need is to copy your Doge wallet address in any exchanges that you are using and paste it right here. So once you paste it right here, go ahead and click on the withdrawal section when your Doge is already at 100. So like I told you, 100 mDoge is equals to 0.10 Dogecoin. So due to the charges right here, you can be able to receive 0.05 Doge or 0.1 Doge depending on what you're doing. So I'm not going to confirm this right here because I've gotten to my maximum withdrawal for today. If I can be able to withdraw this withdrawal if I just invited one more friend, or just maybe 5 friends just for today, but tomorrow is going to unlock and I'm going to mine more Doges. Okay, so once this reaches 100, you can be able to just come here and click on your withdrawal for you to withdraw your Doges. But you can also withdraw automatically, like there is a bot that can help you to withdraw your Dogecoins once this gets to 100 without you coming into this site. So you can just upgrade your bots right here and purchase this auto bot. You can unlock the auto bot. So this auto withdrawal bot helps you to withdraw your Dogecoin instantly without you coming right here just to withdraw it every time it gets to 100. So what you need to do is to just click on the auto bot and upgrade it using 160 Doge, depending on what you want to upgrade it to. 160 right here, 620 right here, and you can also upgrade the amount of Doge that you can be able to withdraw before it clicks. Let me tell you what I mean. So this capacity right here, my current capacity is 100 mDoge, and it stops mining and wait for me to withdraw unless I unlock that bot that you're seeing right there. But once I upgrade this to 160 Doge coin, my capacity reaches to 200 mDoge. So once you get to 200 mDoge, it can be able to withdraw automatically whether I'm online or offline. So another one is the T2 iron bucket, which can be able to get to 1 Dogecoin. So this is the real play in it. Once you upgrade to 620 Doge token right here, you can be able to get 1 Dogecoin instantly into your wallet. So check it out, getting one Dogecoin instantly into your exchanges whenever this gets Dogecoin and mine it instantly for you. It withdraws directly into your exchanges one Dogecoin that can get about 10 Dogecoins in a day. So that is how these Dogecoins actually work. The way for you to earn Dogecoin is through referring friends. So the more you refer friends, the more you earn more Dogecoins. As you can see, if your friends actually withdraw, you're going to be earning 20% of his withdrawal, and if your friends invite someone, you're also going to be earning 10% of withdrawal. So this app is all about earning Dogecoins, and this is how simple this app works. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and ask me right there on the comment section. And this is your first time here, you really like my updates, go ahead and subscribe in this YouTube channel. Click on all the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video.